Hello, good night. Good nighty, nighty, nighty. I have this cough that's been aggravating me, so I'm drinking a cup of tea and I add some. I don't have any fresh garlic, so I add some garlic from the bottle in there. I add some honey. I don't have any fresh lemon, so I have the lemon juice in the bottle. I add all of that stuff in there. Do I like the taste? Not really, but here. I want to stop coughing by the morning. I don't want to cough no more. I don't want to cough no more. Alrighty. So I'm going to try home remedy. I heard somebody was saying she's sick. I was watching somebody live a few minutes ago, and this person, somebody in the comment section said put some Vicks under your foot and put on a socks. I'm going to try that too. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and share. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep hitting those thumbs button, guys. Share, share, share.